Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download Lottie files in JSON format, import them into Adobe After Effects using the Body Moving plugin, and actually get them as an editable After Effects project file. If you have ever seen those lightweight animations on website or apps, those are usually Lottie files, and yes, you can bring them back into Adobe After Effects or tweak or customize them. So where you can get those Lottie files? You can get those Lottie files on Envato Element or lottiefiles.com. You get 10 monthly free download here. You need a free Lottie files account for this. So without any delay, let's get started. I'm on lottiefiles.com website. First, I will download some animations here. Some animations have this premium icon. You cannot download it without subscription. So I'm going to download a free animation. To download, just click this download button. It will bring up this dialog box. Just click drafts or private animation as you wish. Then click save. It will open a new window. You can download the Lottie JSON file from here. So I already downloaded these animation on my folder, and I'm going to download another complex animation from Envato Element. This one also comes in JSON format, GIF or MP4. So if I want to customize this animation, then I need the JSON file. All the JSON file is here. Now I need an Adobe After Effects extension called Body Moving. Just search on the Google Body Moving. You will get this link, a script link. Just open it and download it. You will need a free AEscript account, and on the name your own price box, just type 0. Then you can get it for free. It will download as a zip file. When you extract the file, you will find this ZXP format file. So how you can use it in your Adobe After Effects? You need another free tool called ZXP installer. Just Google ZXP. You will find another AEscript link. Just click here, then you will get this page. If you are using Mac, then download the Mac version. If you are using Windows, download the Windows version. After download, just install it. It's easy, just like other normal software. Now open the ZXP installer. Now you can just drag and drop this ZXP file here. Just keep in mind, before install, close Adobe After Effects. When the installation is complete, open Adobe After Effects again. Now go to Window, then extensions, click Body Moving. This is the interface for Body Moving plugin. Here you can see import Lottie animations. Click here, then click import local file. Then I will click this animation that I downloaded from lottiefiles.com. Just click open. It will take some time. It depends on the complexity of the animation. Import finished. You will see a folder here. If I expand that, then click the composition. Here is our animation. We can see all the shape layer is here. I can change the color. I can change all the animation. I can render it as a MP4 file or MOV file. Now I will bring another animation to show you something. Just click import Lottie animations, import local file. The thank you animation I showed you earlier. Just click open. This is a complex animation, lots of shape layers. So it will take some time. I will get back to you when it's finished. Now, here's something important. Sometimes Body Moving can't import everything perfectly. For example, in this animation I'm showing the gradients are missing. You can see here Body Moving plugin already point out all the missing gradient here and ask you to manually adjust all the colors. So don't be surprised if your imported file looks slightly different. I'm going to open the file. Here I can see two composition. Just open the composition. Here you can see this is the animation we have, but the color is not correct. So now what you can do, you can just take a screenshot and pick the color manually, or Body Moving plugin already gave you all the color details. You can just copy and paste it on a notepad and tweak all the color from there. If I click the letter T, then expand it, I can edit the gradient here. I can change the color from here. So it still gives you the full structure and timing. You just might need to fix some design element. And that's it. You just learned how to take a Lottie JSON file, install the body movement plugin, and turn that file into an After Effects project you can edit. Remember, sometimes you will need to do a little cleanup like re-adding gradient or fine-tuning layers, but it's still a huge time saver compared to recreating everything from scratch. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what other After Effects tricks you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.